Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coming to you from Fort Myers Beach and we're gonna take you out on the boat. We're gonna take you behind the scenes to some of our favorite places that we love to take our boating clients when they come into town, and we give them a Fort Myers Beach familiarity tour.
Yes, and so right now we're in Matanzas Pass, and what we're going to do is we're going to head out toward one of our favorite places on St. James City. So we're going to head into San Carlos Bay and shoot around and make a few stops here and show you what we show our clients when they come into town, just to familiarize them with the area.
The sky's looking really gray. We don't know what the weather's going to be like today. A storm could pop up, so we're just going to take off now and hope for the best.
Okay, so we just came out around Fort Myers Beach. This is our first stop today. And the reason we want to show you this is because when you live the Southwest Florida lifestyle, sometimes you just want to come from your house, take your boat over to Fort Myers Beach and have a fun day on the beach and kind of live the more active scene, right? There's a lot more beach bars and restaurants and stuff. And speaking of, Hurricane Ian destroyed Fort Myers Beach, as you know, are probably aware of, and what's cool is there's quite a few things that are starting to reopen again. Like our favorites are Yucatan's Tiki Bar, and then you have Lalani Kai. One of their bars is open, which is called Mr. C's on the beach, and then some other things, right, Lona?
Yeah, like Heavenly Biscuit.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody loved Heavenly Biscuit for breakfast, and they've come back now as a food truck. Super excited about that one.
Yeah, we're going to go try that one out. Really cool thing that's happening that everybody's excited about is Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville. Yeah. So rumor has it that you'll be able to buy a $5 all-day pass. You'll be able to walk up and use a particular bar, go to the pool, all kinds of cool stuff. So the future of Fort Myers Beach is, I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of scary and exciting at the same time.
Yeah, and that's coming soon. Margaritaville's supposed to be completed by the end of this year.
Yes. So let's go and hit stop number 2.
All right, this is stop 2 on our tour today. And this is the famous, iconic Sanibel Lighthouse behind me, guys. And this is known as Sanibel Lighthouse Beach, actually. You can drive over to this beach. It's a public beach with parking, or you can boat over to it. And on the weekend, behind me here is usually filled up with lines and lines of boats everywhere, because boaters love the spot to hang out. Now, the water is not showing up in its true emerald green format today because it is cloudy and we've been getting a lot of rain, so the water's kind of cloudy and a little bit murky. It's usually gorgeous, guys. Fun fact, Sanibel Lighthouse lost one of its legs during Hurricane Ian, and that's what that fencing around it is all about. And the leg was actually recovered, guys. I know that's crazy, but it was. And the lighthouse has since been repaired. And you can drive over to the island for the day and go to the beach, or you can just pull up pretty close to the beach and park your boat, which is a really popular spot for boaters on the weekend. Sanibel Island is known for its amazing beaches and its incredible, world-renowned seashelling experience. We just have millions, maybe trillions, I don't know how many, but shells everywhere. And if you get out early enough in the morning with a flashlight, you can find some real treasures. So a lot of people know Sanibel for its amazing seashells. Is that thunder? Unfortunately, that was thunder, and where there's thunder, there's typically lightning. So we're going to go ahead and go with plan B for today. We will not get to go to the other stops that we wanted to show you guys on the Gulf side, so we'll save that for another tour. And the great thing about living in Southwest Florida is boating life here provides so many options. So there are a lot of things to do on the bay side, guys. So we're just going to turn around and head back towards the intercoastal, and we're going to show you a few things that we like to do on the inside of Fort Myers Beach, a couple of our favorite places where we love to grab lunch and enjoy a cocktail. So what are you thinking?
Ultimate margarita. Sounds really good.
That does sound really good.
You said chicken wrap with what?
Well, how is it?
You want to do it as the ultimate? Everything on it?
The ultimate margarita? Okay guys, we are here at stop number 3. So unfortunately we did have to cut the tour just a little bit short today because the storm rolled in and we had to hurry up and get back over here closer to the dock. So we're sort of over here on the bay side now in Matanzas Bay, and we just pulled up to stop number 3, which is Snug Harbor. Snug Harbor is amazing. It's kind of this open, breezy restaurant right at the marina area on the water with amazing views. You're surrounded by huge yachts while you dine and colorful umbrellas and water, of course. And I believe that when you stop by Snug Harbor, Doug would highly, highly recommend that you order the ultimate margarita.
So we're here at stop number 4, which is probably our favorite place, definitely one of our favorite places in all of Southwest Florida, which is Doc Ford's Rum Bar and Grill. Doc Ford has got a lot of history here in Southwest Florida, you know, being an author and things like that, and they got just some amazing food. There's 2 levels. You got an inside, upper level, and then downstairs you have this outdoor level. And just, we love boating up to this place. And what's your favorite thing to get, Lana?
Their fried grouper sandwich is absolutely phenomenal. In fact, it might be my favorite place in all of Southwest Florida for that particular sandwich.
Sure, yeah, so we both order those because they're amazing. And also, one of my favorite drinks is the Sanibel Sunset, which if you get a chance to try that, you can try that too.
Sanibel Sunset. How is it?
It's very good. I think it's made with the rum that's made here in Cape Coral,
Wicked Dolphin?
the Wicked Dolphin.
Yummy.
And I believe so. Don't hold me to that because I could be wrong, but it is really good. It's the drink of choice when you're coming to Doc Ford's Rum Bar and Grill.
If you ever get a chance to check this place out, you can get here by car or by boat. We just prefer to get here by boat, obviously, because we're boat people.
Yeah, we're super excited, guys. They've just reopened. They were closed for 11 months after the hurricane, so they've just reopened in recent weeks, and I think we've been here a few times already. We just absolutely love this spot, and you have got to check it out. Doc Ford's Rum Bar and Grill on Fort Myers Beach, and that is stop number 4. Hey guys, the rain is coming back again, so this is actually going to conclude our tour today of Fort Myers Beach. Stay tuned for another version. We're going to go back and hit some spots that we missed today because of the storm. So be sure to look for that upcoming video. Also, if you want to check out the prices of homes on Fort Myers Beach or anywhere in Southwest Florida, you can go to our website, WeSellFlorida.tv. And if you like this video, would you please hit that like button? Go ahead and subscribe so you can get our latest content. And of course, if you know someone who would find this information valuable, please feel free to go ahead and share. We want to thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in paradise.